Hello friends, and welcome to another unboxing. Today I'm checking out the Maromalife Lava Stone Diffuser bracelet. So we've been getting some essential oils lately. There's kind of an essential oil craze going on. And what do we got here? We got some instructions. So, card diffuser, put 2 to 4 drops of essential oil on the lava beads. And wait for about 30 minutes. Using soft paper, remove the redundant oils. Okay. You might even be able to use a carrier oil, kind of mix it in, not mix it in, yeah, get a couple drops of your regular essential oil, get a carrier oil, it's a nice little bag here, sorry about that, mix that together and put it on the beads, and that way it won't be quite so powerful, because some essential oils, if you get it directly on your skin, it can be not good because they're so powerful. It's a cool little bag there. So you can use a carrier oil if you want and kind of put that in there. So how does this work here? Okay, it's interesting. Kind of a neat little design that you just kind of pull it open here and throw it on. My hands are kind of big. Wow, that works. And how do we tighten it on there? I'm thinking just pull. This is like a parachute cord or something. Okay, yeah, you can just kind of, hard to do. Probably easier for someone to do it for you, but anyways. That is kind of neat. These are lava stone. These are made out of, and can't really smell right now. But that looks kind of cool if you're into bracelets or something. I actually like some of the diffusing oils. If I get a headache, sometimes I'll use like a oh my goodness, what is it? Was it a mixture of like lavender and a couple other ones that seem to help actually a little bit. So the essential oils, if nothing else, at least they smell really good. So kind of a cool thing, and a lot of people believe in like the healing powers of it. So pretty neat little bracelet here. I like that it's adjustable and appears to be well constructed. How many beads we got here? 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 19 times 2, so almost 40 beads here, plus the ones on the end, so probably 40. I'm liking the little, I wish I knew how to tie that little knot there. That's pretty cool though. So all in all, you know, cool little idea. I like how that just goes together like that. I'll be testing this out using some essential oils on it and whatnot. Maybe do a nice little giveaway with this to somebody who would like to wear bracelets. I'm not a real big bracelet guy, but it does look pretty cool. Anyways, thanks for watching this unboxing, my friend. I'll leave a link in the description below. You can check this out from Amazon, and we will see you when I do the review. Everyone have a great day out there.